You know, this is a colossal layup, and this is one of the reasons why we vacuum bagged all the components of our stringer grid system prior to coming in here and tabbing. I can see some videos online and folks going in there and trying to laminate stringers into the hull, and from our perspective, I'll be honest with you, I don't even know how they got away with it. We're dealing with epoxy here, keeping this build very traditional. Yet you'll see us where we snuck in composite fillets. It's another thing, saves us a lot of time from making fillets out of resin, even epoxy resin. When you start to get that exotherm, and you know, again, these are just all different things that we've done over the years where we're constantly tweaking. Oh man, Eric has been at it all day, knocking down the layup from yesterday. We have the vacuum pulled on our two subfloor sections. This is the subfloor under the console, and this is the subfloor section brought forward in our anchor well. Stanley set them up earlier. Get these things infused before we close out our day. A little afternoon infusion. Can't get any more even than that.